What's going on, everyone? I just wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We're going to be announcing here the ability to win an Amazon gift card. So if you want to skip this part, skip to about 1:20 into the video and get to the action. Otherwise, stick around here. I just wanted to kind of get a little bit more engagement going. I realized that like 97% of my viewers are not even subscribed. Okay, I was close. 95.7% of my viewers are not even subscribed. And I get it because my videos have a large range. You know, I don't just focus on one vehicle. I kind of all over the place, but I wanted to give some people some incentive for subscribing. So I'm going to post this video, and between the time that this video is posted and around noon Central Time on January 4th, that'd be next Saturday, I'm going to pick a random winner, so long as you put a clean comment in the video description and you are subscribed. So you have to do both, comment and subscribe. You do that, I will randomly pick a winner, and they'll get a $20 Amazon gift card. I know it's not a ton. I'm going to try to bump it up in the future. If this type of thing seems to work, I'll probably bump it up to 50. We'll see how it goes. So I just want to mention that between now and noon on January 4th, comment and subscribe on this video, and you will be entered to win the $20 Amazon gift card. So good luck with that, and on with the video. Winter wipers, get you some. The best.
Actually, I didn't do it. It was already, well, I guess I tore it up further up there. There's tracks up there. It looks like someone made it. Huzzah! Gotta make it in two-wheel. Tony's making it in two-wheel. Loser. Just kidding. Oh, now we're on ice. Not to fear. That's what reverse is for.
almost curbed it. Grown men trudging. So intense. Such a mystic beast. Don't hit a curb now. Don't make me have to pull you out. Hang on. It's so close. Like I could probably push it out. Hang on. Hang on. Well, I don't know why you're going so slow. God, your poor flare. Okay, reverse again. I'll use that momentum. You got like an inch. Alright, I might just have to try. Well, it seems Spencer hit the drift a little too slow and got high centered. He's got it moving back and forth, but it's just not worth burning up the tires. I'm not even gonna try putting it in four wheel. I think I'm gonna try it in just two. He's not very stuck. There he is. Alright, I'm gonna need four at least. It's pretty icy right now. Out. There's a couple splotches of green on there, so I don't know if he's leaking a little coolant now or what, but he doesn't want to try going through it again. Of course, he talked me into trying. I'll try over here where it's a little bit lower of a entry point. I just want to rip off the plastic valance in the front. It's chintzy plastic parts. Yeah. Nothing once again. They just plowed it all and plowed the center, so I'm gonna go out where he tried getting in. That's gonna be fun. So cold. I missed that truck. Sick. What? It's gonna be like no. Sorry, mate. see the indent from a car here that backed into it.
A snowbank. What does it say? Duratrax.
Fun fact of the day, my washer sprayer light came on because it was low. Took exactly 1 gallon to the top of where the cap is. Just an FYI.